Good morning everyone. I am in Sissu. It is a small town in Himachal Pradesh. It is in the Lahore and Spiti Valley. Lahore and Spiti is the largest district by area in Himachal Pradesh. It is one of the least populous districts in the whole of India. The snow-capped peaks are beautiful. You will fall in love with them. Sissu is also known as Qualing. It is famous for a majestic waterfall. The view of the waterfall is spectacular. Sissu waterfall draws its flows from glaciers of the Himalayan peaks. Here I felt like sky is so clear and near. It was like the ocean. The sun is rising and the view of it is unforgettable. I hope you will like the video. If you like it, kindly share it with others also. Thank you.